Okay, before we get into this video, I've been gone for a while, and here's why. I've been gone for about a month off of YouTube, a whole month, and I tore my ligament in my knee, and I was bedbound and off of work for about 2 weeks. After that recovery, I worked non-stop, and we bought a car right after. Enjoy the video. At this point, I was getting ready. It was about like 9 p.m., and I was just brushing my hair, getting ready for the shower. I'm taking off my jewelry. It's sterling silver, but it still will rust. Brushing my teeth with some Colgate. Washing my face with CeraVe Hydrated Facial Cleanser. I used the normal stuff that I used in my recent videos. And there I go, jumping in the shower. After the shower, I used the Billy shaving cream to shave my armpits. After shaving my armpits, I go ahead and wash my face with the Curology formula. I do that every night, every morning. Alright, good morning. So last night was a complete fail. I was supposed to get up at 12 and go to Woodman's and go and get some groceries, but apparently we slept in. It is now 7 in the morning and we are getting dressed to go to the store. Woke up at 7. I'm gonna make a smoothie right now. It's a detox smoothie. I had some sausages for breakfast. Alright, this is my outfit of the day. I have my jacket, some black Nike shorts, my chop glass, and a black shirt, and then I have my purse. We're gonna go. We are leaving right now. I have my drink, and we are going to the store to go grocery shopping. Got the groceries, taking them upstairs. We got some wine here. Hi. Alrighty, we got some Restocking sweet white wine, and someone opened it, and we were supposed to wait for tonight. Alright, so here's our mini grocery haul. We got a bunch of fruit over here, frozen fruit because I like smoothies. A bunch of strawberries, bananas for Angelo, blueberries. We love cheese, got us a little string cheese. Like I said, we love fruit, so got a bunch of pineapples. Got some bread. We got some bell peppers, some onions, some asparagus, some cucumbers, lettuce, tomatoes, potatoes, kiwi. Over here, this is my favorite tea. It's chai vanilla. It's really good. Tonight, Arturo, my fiance, is making some spaghetti. So, he got the spaghetti ingredients. We got some milk. We make our own butter, which is crazy. But we make it out of heavy whipping cream. My fiance makes it, really, not me. He makes it really good, so we don't buy butter. He just makes it. We got the egg. We got tonight's ingredients. Well, this is tomorrow. We love sandwiches, so we get some sandwich meat for tonight. This is for the spaghetti, and this is considered a mini grocery haul. Now, if you guys want to see the full grocery haul, Alrighty, the refrigerator is all organized. We have the milk and there's fruits down there. Asparagus and meat. The sauces on this side as well. All organized. Now, the real part is this countertop where there is expired food or food I need to throw away. Oh my god, look at what flew in through our window. A bee. Thank god it didn't sting this little guy. We are going to the beach. The beach. This is my outfit. I just got a bra top on and some shorts. So we are in the car. We are going to, if I can get my seatbelt on. We are going to Five Below to grab a towel, beach towel, and these frisbees that we saw yesterday. Already, we got our beach stuff. We're at the beach. We got the baby. That's the Blake. We got Angelo playing in the sand. We're all set up here. And then we have my love is going to the car. He's right there. He forgot some fruit in the car. Angelo's enjoying himself. And then we got Papa right there. What that? He's over there in the crib. He's asleep. He's knocked out. I'm about to shower and go to work because I have to be there by 4 and it's 3:25. I am gonna start uploading every 2 weeks because I said to you guys that I will upload every week, but it's so hard with work, so it's kind of hard to upload every week. I'm gonna close this video out right here.